We have had great success in scaling up secondary education in rural eastern Uganda. Few non-profit organizations our size are able to make the impact that we are doing in Jinja and Kamuli districts. With the support of our friends and donors, and with the effective partnerships formed with local-based organizations in eastern Uganda, we have been able to deliver education and community services since 2011. This was highlighted with the founding of Yana Community High School in 2017 and establishing Yana Vocational Center in 2018. Our mission is to support and empower communities to address issues that perpetuate poverty through providing education and community development programs. Our target population is the youth and women. Uganda has a young population, so empowering the youth strengthens the community. Women are a strong pillar in rural communities. They are responsible for day-to-day running of families, and raising the children is squarely upon their shoulders. Therefore, empowering women not only develops the community, but also makes education and youth programs more effective. We support the youth in two main ways: through formal secondary education and through vocational training. We also organize seminars on reproductive health and other issues that the youth face as they grow up. This vocational center was constructed with funds raised by you, our donors, at the Give Big Seattle campaign in 2018. It now hosts 2 vocational courses, tailoring and hairdressing, which have been facilitated by SEP's other partner Pangaea Giving and the community. We are in partnership with Women and Orphans Community Action Plan in Jinja, where we help support some of their women livelihood projects. We fund for extracurricular activities so that the youth and students can enjoy attending school and reduce the rates of absenteeism through engaging activities such as sports and drama. We help girls maintain their school attendance by providing reusable sanitary products. These products were generously donated by our friends at Days for Girls and Bellevue Christian Reformed Church. And now, with the COVID-19 global pandemic, we are not shying away from facing these new challenges that our communities and partners are facing. The lockdown is affecting the communities in unique negative ways, including lack of medical care for common ailments such as malaria and conditions such as childbirth, which are now contributing to deaths in the communities. There is lack of food because the pandemic comes right after locusts had decimated crops in eastern Uganda. In order to help, our partners are using the vocational center's sewing machines to make masks to supply free of charge to local health centers so that the medical personnel can be there to care for the community members. Times are hard, we know, but this global pandemic clearly illustrates how we are all in this storm together and how we can all support each other in the most meaningful ways. We therefore invite you once again to support us as you can. We are seeking to double our fundraising efforts this year in order to continue funding education and also support the community through this global health crisis. We are specifically raising money for operations to continue to pay teachers' salaries even during this time, so that when school resumes, the teachers will be there for the students. Our villages do not have capacity for online learning yet. Therefore, we want to support buying enough textbooks so that students can be able to study on their own at home, so as to catch up on lost time during the pandemic lockdown. Finally, we want to help fund our partners' efforts to provide COVID support through outreach and distributing masks and food to their community. Thank you so much for standing with us. We hope that you continue to support us this year and in the years to come. Thank you.